Hello and welcome. This is Master. In this episode, we are going to talk about double steps in sparring. Double step is must-have footwork, especially for someone who's smaller compared to their opponent. First of all, let's take a look at some examples of double steps. Once you are able to perform all the examples that we demonstrated earlier, now you can use it to manipulate the form. You don't always have to perform this footwork from 2 steps away. Even you can use it from 1 step away, use it as a feint, or use it as a cut foot. Something like that. Let's try another example. Alright, let's take a look at some examples using the manipulated form or the roundhouse kick. Alright, that's how to perform double steps in sparring. We are going to cover more details on how to use it to get a score in Chapter 6 and Fighting Strategy and Tactics. Alright, that's all for this episode. I will see you next time.